Ever pondered why understanding insurance claims in the USA is of such importance? Well, let's delve into this. Understanding insurance claims is a game changer for policyholders. It's like having a financial safety net, ready to catch you when life throws a curveball. Imagine, you face an unexpected event like a car accident or a health issue. The bills pile up, but your insurance policy swoops in, covering those costs and easing your burden. But that's not all, folks. It's not just about financial security. It's also about the law. Insurance isn't a luxury in the USA, it's a requirement. If you're driving a car, you need auto insurance. If you're buying a home, you need homeowner's insurance. And understanding your insurance claim is crucial to ensuring you're meeting these legal requirements. By understanding insurance claims, you're guarding yourself against unexpected expenses, fulfilling legal obligations, and securing your financial future. So having a comprehensive understanding of insurance claims can be your financial safety net. Filing an insurance claim might seem daunting, but fear not. We are here to break it down for you. Imagine you're navigating a path through the woods. It's easier when there are signposts guiding your way, right? That's exactly what we're doing here. We're placing signposts to guide you through the process of filing an insurance claim. Our first stop is contacting the insurance company. This is the initial step, and it's crucial. Reach out to your insurance provider as soon as possible after the incident. You'll need to provide them with an overview of what happened. Remember, the sooner you start, the smoother your journey will be. Next, we arrive at filling out claim forms. Every insurance company has its unique form, but don't be overwhelmed. They generally ask for the same information: your details, what happened, and the extent of the loss or damage. Take your time and fill it out carefully. Do not skip any sections. The more information they have, the better they can assist you. Now, we've reached documenting the loss. This is where you need to become a detective of sorts. Gather all the evidence you can to support your claim. Pictures, receipts, police reports, witness statements. They're all part of the puzzle. The more pieces you provide, the clearer the picture becomes for your insurance company. Our final stop is waiting for the claim to be processed. This might feel like the longest part of the journey, but patience is key. Your insurance company needs time to review all the information and make a fair decision. While waiting, keep a line of communication open with your insurer. Throughout this journey, there are two principles to live by: timely reporting and thorough documentation. The earlier you report the incident, the better. And remember, in the world of insurance claims, details matter. The more thorough your documentation, the stronger your claim. Remember, meticulous documentation is your best friend in this process. And with that, we've successfully navigated the path of filing an insurance claim. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane and review what we've learned. We began by understanding the importance of insurance claims. Remember, these claims are vital as they provide the necessary financial support when unforeseen events occur. Then, we broke down the filing process. Remember the 3 key steps. The first involves notifying your insurer promptly after the incident. The second, submitting all the necessary documentation and information, which includes a detailed account of the incident and any relevant receipts or invoices. The third and final step is all about patience and follow-ups. It's essential to keep track of your claim's progress and maintain open communication with your insurer. And let's not forget, being honest and thorough in your claim is critical. Any discrepancies can lead to delays or even denial of your claim. So, always ensure that you are providing accurate and complete information. Keep these points in mind and the insurance claim process will be a breeze for you. So there you have it, a simple guide to understanding and filing insurance claims in the USA. We've unraveled the complexities of the process, showing you that it needn't be as daunting as it may first appear. In closing, let's reiterate some key points. First, understanding the process is paramount. It's like a roadmap, guiding you through each step and helping you navigate potential pitfalls. Second, staying organized is crucial. Keep track of all your documents, dates, and details. It's the backbone of a successful claim. And finally, don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Navigating the world of insurance can be tricky. If you feel overwhelmed or unsure, reach out to an expert. They'll help ensure you're on the right path and that your interests are well represented. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to insurance claims. Stay informed and stay secure.